Welcome back to the channel. It's been a super busy week since last weekend when we put the rear end in and buttoned up things on the drag truck, putting the 430 gears in place of the 271s. We haven't driven it on the road yet this year. We did the year-end burnout with it right here in the yard and swap the rear end gears. So we backed it off the boards this morning. Me and my wife gave it a quick bath. It's looking about as clean as a politician's hard drive after it's been bleached. We want to take it out for a ride today. We want to just take you with us and see exactly what the 430s are doing for it and get it on the road for the first time this year. So for anybody who's joining the channel late, here's a quick catcher-upper. We bought this 80 Dodge pickup out of a farmer's field that had been sitting there a while. Brought it home. It didn't run very good when we first brought it home. Then, throughout time, we worked with it, got it running better. Then we lightened it up. We went to manual steering, removed the heater core box, and amongst some other stuff that we removed. It's all on the playlist. We have a nice playlist of it. We added the 4-barrel headers. We haven't even so much as changed the spark plugs or plug wires on it yet. And then we just recently, if you looked at our recent videos, we just added an 8 3/4 rear end and a set of 430 gears in place of the 8 1/4 271 gears. 55 is now about 85. 55 used to be about 52, 53. So my wrap-up assessment is the 430s turn about 2,900 RPMs to do 55. If I was going to drive this, you know, and use it for a run-around vehicle, 430s isn't what I would want, especially with the spool. Every time you turn a corner, it's chirp, 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 chirp. But in this, it's exactly what we wanted. Without comparing it to an ET slip or something else, it's really hard to say what kind of a difference is, but I think the videos speak for itself. It's definitely burning both tires now instead of one, and honestly, it's even spinning two. I really can't hardly take off without burning two, and it's definitely a lot quicker, wraps the gears out a whole lot more. Got to watch the tack now, you wrap up pretty quick. But it's still, keep in mind, it's still just the old 318 that was a old 318 2-barrel sitting on the farm out in the field. All we done is threw headers and 4-barrel, didn't even change a spark plug. And it still has the stock lock-up tight torque converter in it, 727. So there's still a lot of room for improvement under the hood and under that transmission tunnel. Till next time, thanks for watching.